Hello children, welcome back to Learn at Home घर पे सीखो powered by bookmytutor.in. So children, I think hope you enjoyed the concept multiplication. It's very interesting. Now we are doing the another interesting concept, that is your division. So what is multiplication? Once again I will just revise you. Multiplication was the repeated addition. Okay. And now we are coming to the concept division. So what is division, childrens? Division is the kind of, you can say, the repeated subtraction. Okay, it's a repeated subtraction. And division means when you have some group of numbers and you have to divide them equally. Okay, that is called as division. So we are dividing the some group of number into equal parts. That is called as division. Or you can say you have contained one number and you have to convert into another equal parts. That is called as division. Okay. Or it is a repeated subtraction. So just understand by one concept. So very simple. First point is division is a repeated subtraction, and second point is it is reverse of multiplication. The third point is it is used symbol like one dash and two dots. It is used symbol this, okay, or you can say symbol used is this. Now we'll take an example. These concept you can also say it's a properties of division. It's a properties of division. Okay. So take an example. We have a 4 rabbit. How many rabbit is there? Rabbit 1, rabbit 2, rabbit 3 and rabbit 4. We have 4 rabbits. Okay. And we have 8 carrot. Okay. How many carrots we have, children? We have 8 carrots. So how can I divide the carrots into 4 rabbits? So first I'll start dividing the carrot. 1, carrot 2, carrot 3 and carrot 4 for the 4 rabbit. Now something left out. Start dividing now equally. Carrot 1, carrot 2, carrot 3 and carrot 4. So now you count all the carrots are divided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So one quantity is divided equally to the another one. Okay. So bigger quantity will be divided by the smaller quantity in an equal one. If something is left out, that we say is reminder, that we will see in the concept. Okay, children. So now we'll take an example of division, how we do it. Just take an example. A number 30, okay, which we have to divide by 8. We write like this. And there is a called dividend, divisor, then quotient and remainder. So this is your divisor, small quantity. This is your dividend. This you can write on top. This one, dividend. And here you will get quotient. Okay, children. So this is your quotient. And the last we get the remainder. Okay. Remainder. And the last we get the remainders. Okay, children. So now how we will divide? Just take a table of 8. Use the multiplication table of 8. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. Okay. So quotient is 3 and you have to write here 24. Okay. And you see here when you subtract, in the multiplication we do addition and in division we do subtraction. So when you subtract this, as we have already done the subtraction concept for 2-digit numbers, now we will see here how to subtract. So this 0 will consider as 10 and 10 minus 4 will be 6 and your 1 borrow is here. So take 1 borrow. So 3 minus 3 because 1 borrow is there. So 3 minus 3 will become 0. So your remainder is 0, children. This is your remainder, which is your, in this case it is 0 6. It means 6 is your remainder. Okay. Here is 0. So 0 6 means 6. So 6 is your remainder. Now we will see so many example here. First see some more concept of division. Okay, children. Or you can see another example if you want to see right now. So we'll take another example here. Very simple example you take where you don't have remainder, like 16. We divide by 4. So you can say 4 4 ja 16 and just subtract, you will get 0 here. Or you can say cross. So there is no remainder. So 16 is equally divided by 4. So you can say repeated subtraction. You can also do like 16 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Then also you will get 0. So this is your repeated subtraction concept. Okay, children. Let's see some more properties of division. Like property number 4, if we say, if you divide any number by 1, quotient will be its number itself. So your quotient will be number itself, or your result will be that number itself. Okay, children. This is your property number 4. And let's see the property number 5. If we divide any number by 0, it cannot divide. So it cannot divide. Your result will be, or your quotient will be, your result will be not defined, or you can say infinite generally. So it is not defined. You just say it's not defined. Some of the questions will come in the exam. If you divide this number by 0, what is the result? So children, this is not defined. If you divide any number by 1, answer will be your 1, that number itself. Because if you want to subtract also, that by so many times, if you divide like 4 by 1, you have to subtract 4 from 1 4 times. That's the means. So it's little easy and tricky also, these questions. Okay, children. So I think you might have understand the concept of division. We'll see some more examples. in the coming video. Till that, you learn at home, घर पे सीखो, powered by bookmytutor.in. Have a great day. Good day. Bye bye.